Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. Hope you all are good. Let's come to the board first and revise the vocabulary. The first word is dividend, number which we write inside the root, number to be divided. Divisor, the number which we divides. Quotient, the answer of the division. Remainder, number left over, called remainder. Today our topic is dividing 3-digit by 1-digit number. In 3-digit division, remember first we divide the hundreds, then divides the tens, and then next ones. The 3-digit number by 1-digit number. First we have to divide the 8. And here you see the first 8 is the hundreds. Next we have to divide the tens, and in a tens we have a 4. Next we have divided the 7, and that is ones. There is a 4 digits in a dividend, but you see first we have to divide the thousand and hundreds, then tens, and then ones. So the division we have to start from the highest to the lowest and divide. Student, today's task is question number 11 and 12, and you have to do on a notebook, make a margin lines and a separate column for a rough work, right? Next, here I have a question. It's a 3-digit number, and first we have to write inside the root. This is our dividend, and this one is the divisor. Now I have a table that is 3. So write the table in the rough work column. So whatever the table is, first write the table and then check and start from the highest value, that 10 hundreds. So first we have to solve the hundreds. 3, 8, 6 comes in the table of 3. So first we have to check. Yes, here we see the product of 6. So 2, 3 are 6. So we have to, this one is our quotient and this one is our product, right? So product will always write here. Then the next step is we have to subtract 6 minus 6, 0. Now let's solve the next, that's place. In a tens place we have 3. 3 will bring it down. Now is 3 come in the table of 3? So let's check this, right? Make a box like this, and this is the product, right? The product will be right just beneath the dividend. This is your dividend, right? And this one, this is your quotient, and you have to write the answer. Student must write the answer on the top. Now you have to subtract 3 minus 3, 0. I'm writing cross sign because it divided fully. Now the next you have to solve ones. So 9 will be bring it down 3, and you have to check whether 9 comes in the table of 3. Now here you see, yes, 9 comes in the table of 3. Here I have a product, right? 9. So I'll take this 9 and this 3. This 3 is your quotient, and this is the table of 3. It is your divisor, right? Outside the root. Now the next step is you have to subtract 9 minus 9, that is 0. 613. It gives you the quotient. This is your answer, 213, and the remainder is 0. Dear students, 847 divided by 5 is the example here I have. So you see, this is the dividend and it's 3 digits. So we have a divisor of 1 digit. So 3 digit by 1 digit division is this. So let's solve division using the long method. 10 hundreds. So in a hundreds it's 8, right? So first we have to solve the hundreds. We will divide tens and then we will divide ones. Divided by 5. So we know that 1 is 5 and the remainder is 3, right? So this 1 is your quotient and this 3 is your remainder. So students, we will write the 1 as a quotient is here, and 5, 1 is 5. This is your product. Then you have to subtract, and the remainder is 3. Now the next 10 number will be bring down. You have a quotient 1, and you have multiply 5 multiply by 1. So this is your product. You have to write beneath the dividend, and then you have to subtract 8 minus 5, right? 8 minus 5, it gives you 3. So 34. Check whether 34 comes in the table of 5. So you see 5 6 are 30 and 5 7 are 35. So 35 is the bigger than 34. So we will choose this product, right? So 5 6 are 30, right? So this is your product, and now you have to subtract, right? So this is your next step. 3 minus 4 4, and 3 minus 3 0. So next you have to solve ones column and bring down the 7 here. Now you will check out 47 comes in the table of 5. So you have to read the table and find out the quotient. 5 10 are 50, and you see it's bigger than 47. So 5 9 are 45. So you will have to go for this. So this is your product, and the product will be here, and the quotient is 9. So quotient, it is the answer of the question, and always write on the top. Then you have to subtract 7 minus 5, it gives you 2, and 4 minus 4. So now all the 3 numbers are solved, and this is your remainder. This one is your quotient. 47 divided by 5, it gives you the answer 169, and the remainder is 2. Solve question number 11 and 12 on book page number 95. Thank you.